Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to Charlotte, North Carolina for an unforgettable adventure with me, Ms. Val. Before we jump into the journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Let me know your favorite part of Charlotte. From iconic city spots to local hidden gems, I'm taking you along for all the sights, flavors and fun the Queen City has to offer. Welcome to True by Hilton Charlotte Airport Lake Pointe, a modern, budget-friendly stay just minutes from Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This bright and stylish hotel offers the perfect mix of comfort and convenience for travelers, families, and quick stopovers in the Queen City. When staying at True by Hilton, take advantage of the free hot breakfast, free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour fitness center and a seasonal outdoor pool. The hotel also provides a 24/7 airport shuttle. My room was very clean with smart storage, comfy bed, and a large TV. I highly recommend the True by Hilton Charlotte Airport if you're visiting Charlotte, North Carolina. It's clean, modern, super convenient to the airport, and offers great value for a comfortable stay. This is Bank of America Stadium, home of the Carolina Panthers and Charlotte FC. It's right in the middle of Uptown Charlotte and the vibe there I hear is always crazy fun. Spectrum Center, home of the Charlotte Hornets. Rev up your engines, here is NASCAR Hall of Fame. Charlotte is packed with public art, colorful murals and sculptures dot the cityscape, transforming walls, alleys, underpasses and buildings into immersive urban galleries. The murals aren't just decoration, they tell stories. Some honor local history and community, others celebrate culture, music, social justice movements, or simply capture Charlotte's energy and skyline. Harvey B. Gantt Center, explore African American art, history, and culture right in Uptown Charlotte. This vibrant museum and cultural center celebrates creativity through art exhibitions, educational programs, and community events. From powerful visual art to interactive displays, the Gantt Center is a hub for learning, inspiration, and experiencing African American heritage in the Queen City. These incredible works of art were created by the talented Percy King. His work is known for deep, dramatic, and highly textured portraits, not flat images, but wood-sculpted, relief-style art that gives a unique dimensionality. Step into Mert's Heart and Soul, a beloved spot in Uptown Charlotte serving real Southern soul food with heart. The vibe is warm, welcoming, and friendly and the food is absolutely delicious. Hilltop Coffee has a relaxed, friendly, and welcoming loft-style feel with indoor seating and an outdoor patio. The cafe is full of flavor. It serves delicious coffee, teas, and pastries in a welcoming Uptown Charlotte spot, perfect for a chill hangout or work session. Come along with me to Freedom Park. Escape to Freedom Park, a 98 acres urban oasis in the heart of Charlotte. Perfect for walking, jogging, lunch, or just relaxing by the lake. The park features scenic trails, sports field, playgrounds, and beautiful gardens. A must-visit spot for families, fitness enthusiasts, and nature lovers alike. For more details on Freedom Park and everything it has to offer, be sure to check out my full video on the channel. Just 20 miles from downtown Charlotte, Daniel Stowe Conservancy sits on 380 acres of woodlands, meadows, lakefront, and curated gardens. For more details on this conservancy and everything it has to offer, be sure to check out the upcoming full video of the Daniel Stowe Conservancy on this channel. It's a peaceful, beautiful destination where you can explore formal gardens, walk forested trails, or just unwind surrounded by nature. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I really love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying every adventure.